Hi students, in study session we finished determinant synopsis, and the previous session we finished matrices synopsis. Now today I will start matrices competitive problems. Now in exercise matrices chapter, exercise level 1. First question, if a matrix A x minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 3 x square minus 2, 4, 1, minus 1 minus 2 x minus 3, 1, 2, 0, 4 x square minus 6, and if the given trace of A equal to 0, then x is equal to x value we need to find out. It is clearly square matrix of order having 4 rows and 4 columns, 4 by 4. What is meant by trace of a matrix? The sum of all principal diagonal elements is called a trace of a matrix. Now TR of A already equal to 0 is given. Which are diagonal elements here? X minus 1, x square minus 2, x minus 3, x square minus 6. Sum of these diagonal elements is called a trace of a matrix. Now add that all elements, x minus 1 plus x square minus 2 plus x minus 3 plus x square minus 6 equal to 0. Now square terms which are there, x square plus x square, 2x square, x terms, x plus x, 2x. And what are the constant? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6 is minus 12, equal to 0. If you take 2 is common factor, remaining what? X square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. For minus 6, what are the factors we can take? Plus 3x minus 2x, minus 6 equal to 0. Reason? Sum will get plus x, product will get required minus 6 value. Now take x common from first two values, x plus 3 minus 2 common, x plus 3. Again x plus 3 is common into x minus 2 equal to 0. From this what you can write x value? 2 and minus 3. 2 and minus 3, which option? Option C. Option C is correct option. In option C given minus 3 and 2. Next, second one. The element Aij of the square matrix is given by Aij equal to I plus j into I minus j. I is called row position, j is called column position, and then matrix A must be, it is a which matrix we need to identify. The given skew symmetric matrix, triangular matrix, symmetric matrix and null matrix. Now for example, let us consider the matrix A is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means what are the elements are possible? A11, A12, A21, A22. They not mention order, just they mention square matrix. Now I am considering 2 by 2 matrix to verify that. First A11 find out. A11 means I is 1, J also 1. 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 minus 1, 0. That is 0. Next A12, 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 2. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Next A21, 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. 3 into 1, that is 3. Next A22, 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2, what will get? 0. Total value 0. Now, if you write A matrix, what will get? A11 is 0, A12 is minus 3, A21 is 3 and 0. Clearly, it is which is suitable in this case for skew symmetric matrix. Reason? Diagonal elements are 0. Already we discussed diagonal elements are 0 in skew symmetric matrix, and non-diagonal elements having opposite sign. That is clearly which matrix? Skew symmetric matrix. It is not triangular matrix. It is not a symmetric. Reason? Triangle means above or below principal diagonal elements are 0. It is not happened here. Symmetric means it is not required. Here sign also opposite. It is not symmetric. That's why clearly you can do condition wise. It is clearly which one. Otherwise you can check how to check this one. You can check with A transpose equal to minus A. Definition wise also. A transpose equal to, you will get minus A. That's why it is clearly which one? Symmetric matrix. That's why A is skew symmetric, not symmetric. A is skew symmetric matrix. So which option is correct? Option A is a correct option for this question. Next, third one. Elements of matrix A of order 10 by 10 are defined as, given like this. A is a matrix, elements, order is what? 10 by 10. And the A is a element is given clearly. A is a equal to omega power I plus j, where omega is cube roots of unity. We have concept in first we is in complex numbers. Cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. In that case, the conditions are omega cube is 1 and sum of these three values 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. These are the conditions for cube roots of unity. Omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is 0. Now these conditions we need to apply here. Now A is given clearly. Then what they are asking? Trace of A matrix. Now trace of A means trace elements. What you take? Sum of diagonal elements. For diagonal elements what? Row position, column position both are same. A11, A22, A33 up to you have to take A10, 10. Reason up to 10 by 10 matrix is there. That's why if they are asking trace of A means we need to find A11, A22, A33 plus and so on up to A10, 10. Now A11 means what will get? Omega square, omega power 4, because A is an element already given. Omega power 6 plus and so on, omega power 20. Sorry, omega not A, it is a omega power 20. Now omega square, okay. Omega power 4 we can write omega cube into omega. This we can write omega cube whole square. Like this we can write many values. Plus omega power 20 I will write omega cube whole power 6. That means 18 will get remaining omega square. Now if we simplify this, omega square, this is omega cube is 1. 1 into omega is omega plus 1. Plus and so on, omega cube is 1 power 6 is 1 only, now remaining omega square. Like this any number if you take, you never get smallest number. 0 is given, 1 is given, 3 is given, this all numbers you never get in this case. For example, if you want to verify, exactly means we need to write all the values. All the values means what? Every value we need to consider. Each and every value. Exact answer we need to get means what? Omega square, omega power 4, omega power 6. Next what will get? Omega power 8. So multiple of 2 will get. 2 even numbers. Next omega power 4, 4. Next 5, 5 means 10. Next 12. Next 14. Next 16. Next 18. And last 20 will get. Values wise. Now this is complete value. If you add this one, what you will get? Condition wise. Now this one you can verify with a GP series also. Omega square, omega power 4, omega power 6, omega power 8 and so on up to omega power 20. How many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 terms are there. That's why n is clearly 10. Now sum of n terms in GP. GP what formula? Sn is equal to A into. So omega is clearly is a complex value. You can take any condition. R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. No issues. Here first term A is omega square. R is common ratio, second term by first term, that also omega square. Now come to the values. Sn formula use. A is omega square into R, what? Omega square whole power n is 10 minus 1 by omega square minus 1. If you simplify this, omega square, this is what? Total omega power 20 minus 1 by omega square minus 1. And come to next. Omega square into this omega power 20 we can write omega cube whole power 6 into omega square minus 1 by omega square minus 1. Here omega cube clearly what here? 1. That's why here you get omega square into, this is 1 into omega square, that is omega square minus 1 by omega square minus 1. These two values gets cancelled. What is the remaining? Omega square. But omega square is not there in option, that's why D is the correct option, none of these. Condition wise. Next, question number 4. A square equal to I. This is a condition for which one? Which one? Involuntary matrix. Then the value of delta of A minus I. They are asking A minus I value. If they are given options, here clearly A is a order 3 by 3 matrix. First option 1, second option minus 1, third option 0, fourth option is we cannot say anything. Now here A square equal to I is given, the condition wise. Now in this A square equal to I, also we can write I square. It's clearly possible. Now when clearly possible means what? A square minus I square equal to a 0 matrix. If you apply A square minus B square formula, what you will get? A plus I into A minus I is equal to 0 matrix. From this what you can say? Nothing, because delta of A minus I, if you simplify this you never get anything, because A minus I value what you will get, because simplification wise. And here one more thing, here clearly it is not a number, that's why A plus I into A minus I, we can't find, don't take A plus I right side, it is not possible. That's why we can't find the value of A minus I matrix. That's why A minus I is not possible to find. In this case, delta of A minus I value what? We can't say anything, because we don't know the value of A minus I value. That's why clearly the delta of A minus I, we cannot say anything, because the reason is we don't know the value of A matrix and I matrix. Its subtraction also we don't know. So which option is correct? Option D is correct option. Next, question number 5. They given if a matrix lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 lambda minus 2 1 minus lambda square plus 3 lambda 1 minus lambda square equal to capital A into lambda square plus B lambda plus C, where A comma B comma C are matrices, then find B plus C matrix. Now we don't know B plus C matrix. Here the given matrix in the form of lambda, the equation contains in the form of lambda and combination with matrices A, B, C. How to find this B matrix and C matrix? It's very simple. If you substitute some values of lambda, we can get the matrix B and matrix C also. How to get? Just for example, if you substitute lambda is 0, lambda 0 means A and B, it will be eliminated in the equation. From that you will get C matrix. Lambda 0 substitute, what will you get? 0, 0, here 1. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 1 minus 0, 0. That's why 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Here, A into 0, 0, B into 0, 0, plus C. Now from this, C matrix is 1 minus 2, 1, 1. Next, I will substitute lambda is 1. Lambda 1 substitute. 1 substitute means what you will get here? 1 minus 2 plus 1. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 plus 3, 1 minus 1 equal to A plus B plus C. Now here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, 3 and 0. Here A plus B plus C. Now this one later you can take condition wise. C matrix already we know. What is the C matrix? 1 minus 2, 1, 1. Now the C matrix take this side. By taking C matrix left side, what remaining? Already matrix is there, 0 minus 1, 3, 0. 0 minus 1, 3, 0 minus C equal to A plus B. From this, A plus B equal to 0 minus 1, 3, 0 minus C matrix what? 1 minus 2, 1, 1. Simplify, what you will get? 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus of minus plus. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. This is A plus B. Considered as equation number 1. Next, put lambda is minus 1. By substituting lambda is minus 1, what you will get? Left side. Minus 1 whole square, 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2, plus 1. Here minus 1, minus 2. 1 minus 1 minus 3. 1 minus 1 equal to minus A plus B, sorry, 1 minute ma. Minus A won't get because lambda square is there. Minus 1 into lambda is plus A minus B plus C will get. Now from this, what is the matrix we got here? 4 minus 3. Here minus 1 plus 1 gets cancel. Minus 3, 0. Take the C matrix this side. Minus C only, now directly I am writing the C matrix. Minus C. C means what? 1 minus 2, 1, 1. Equal to A minus B. Now from this, A minus B equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 3, minus of minus plus. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1, minus 4. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. This take it as equation number 2. Here we don't want A matrix. We need only B matrix. That's why I will subtract 1 and 2. By adding you will get A matrix, but A is not required because they are asking B plus C matrix. Adding, subtracting A plus B minus A of minus of A minus B. What is A plus B matrix? Minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1 minus, what is A minus B matrix? 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1. Here A gets cancelled, minus of minus plus, total 2B equal to minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, 1 minus of minus plus, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus of minus plus, 2 plus 4 6, minus 1 minus of minus plus 1, total 0. Now 2 divide that side, B matrix is minus 2, 1, 3, 0. Now we got B matrix, a C matrix, and this is B matrix. We need to add this both. What is B matrix? Minus 2, 1, 3, 0 plus C matrix 1 minus 2, 1, 1. Add this to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3 plus 1 4, 0 plus 1 1. Now which option is correct? Now option A, all of you check once. Option A is correct. B plus C matrix. Next, sixth one, question number 6. The given matrix A, B, C, second row P, Q, R, third row X, Y, Z. And the given det A also. Det A equal to 2. then the det B we need to find out. They given B matrix like this. So what is the B matrix? 4x, 2a minus p, 4y, 2b minus q, 4z, 2c minus r. We need to find det B. Det A already given. Det B we need to find out clearly. Now, det B you can take like this also. Det B equal to det of 4x, 4y, 4z, 2a, 2b, 2c, minus p, minus q, minus r. What are the common factors from first column? 4. From second column? 2. That's why I am taking 4 and 2 common. So 4 into 2 into det of x, y, z, a, b, c. You can take minus also common from third column. Why again? Directly take from first column 4, from second column 2, from third column take minus also common. Now what remaining? P, Q, R in third column. Here, simple logic, there is a relation between A and this det of B by applying transpose of this. Because determinant of, in yesterday we discussed, det of A dash and det A both are same. Transpose of matrix and original matrix determinant both are equal, no changes. If you apply transpose for this, the value, the determinant is remains same only, no changes. If you interchange this, what this is minus 8 into det of, what you will get? X, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r. Now, again coming to condition, here we need to interchange. First a, b, c is there, next x, y, z and last row p, q, r is there. Just these two we need to interchange. Which two? X, y, z and first these two interchange, later can interchange remaining two. Now first R1 interchanging with R2. Next immediately R2 interchanging with R3. Now for interchanging any two rows, any two columns, you will get minus sign. Two times we are changing, minus into minus, plus you will get. Now first this A, B, C will go to first row. Now X, Y, Z will come to second row. Again the second row, third row we interchange. Now that's why PQR will come to second row. PQR and last XYZ. This is clearly det of which matrix? A matrix. That's why minus 8 into this clearly det of A. That's why minus 8 into det of A, how much is given? 2. That's why this is minus 16. Which option is correct? Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next, seventh one. A is a square matrix of order 3, then the value of det of A minus A transpose whole power 2005. Here clearly, now you can write this power take out of the determinant, no problem. A minus A transpose whole power 2005. Here clearly we know that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix always. For every square matrix, A plus A transpose is symmetric, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. For skew symmetric matrix of third order, value of determinant is 0. Remember one thing, note we need to important point. The value of determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of order 3 by 3 is 0 always. You can check any 3 by 3 matrix. If you take for example skew symmetric matrix means diagonal elements are 0. For example minus 1, minus 2. Here means opposite sign 1, 2. Here I am taking 3. 0, here 0. For 3, what is the sign? Minus 3. It's clearly it is a skew symmetric determinant value. Expand means along any row or column. For example, along row 1 only expand. First value 0, leave it. Here plus, here minus. Minus of minus plus 1. By deleting its row and column, what? 1 into 0, 0. Minus 2, 3s are 6. Last sign is what? Minus 2 into, so plus into minus. By deleting its row and column, remaining 4 elements, 1, 0, 2, minus 3. 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus 0. 1 into minus 6, minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6. What you got value? 0. That's why this point is important. The value of determinant of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 by 3 is always 0 value. That's why this total delta of A minus A transpose. That's why A minus A transpose whole power 2005 power whatever delta of this value is 0. 0 power anything is 0. So which is the option correct? Option D is a correct option. Next, question number 8. A equal to A is a m by n and Aij is given. Aij equal to I square plus j square minus I into j total into j minus I, comma, n is odd. Then which of the following is not the value of trace of A? Which is not a trace of A matrix? When n is odd, condition wise, trace is possible only for square matrix. We can't find for rectangular matrices. If n is odd means m also we need to get odd only. For example, if you take let n, I will take 3. When n is 3, m also compulsory 3. 3 means a 3 by 3 matrix will get. For 3 by 3 matrix, what are the elements you will get? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Whatever value you will get in this case, mainly we need these 3 values, no need to find remaining. Which is trace of A matrix we need to get, condition wise. Here they given what in terms of determinant also given, 0, det A, 2 into det A, like that. That's why try to find remaining also, because det A also we need to find. A11 means what? 1 square plus 1 square, 2 minus 1 will get. But here 1 minus 1, 0. A12, find it separately ma. A12 means 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, minus 2, because 1 2 is into j is 2 and I is 1. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 2, 3. 3 into 1, that is 3. Next, take 1 3. A13. A13 means what? 1 square, 1 plus 9 minus 3 into 3 minus 1. 10 minus 3, 7 into 2. That is clearly 14. Next, A21. A21 means 2 square, 4 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 2, 3. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Here clearly 0. Next, this element find out. A23. 2 square, 4 plus 9. I into j means 2 3s are 6. Into j minus I means 3 minus 2. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 into 100 is 7. If you find out A31 element, just to do in rough wise ma, to find each and every element. A31, how to find? 3 square, 9 plus 1 minus 3 into j minus I means 1 minus 3. Same here, 7 into minus 2, that is minus 14. See, 3 minus 3, 14 minus 14. Here 7 means what you will get? Minus 7. And A33 means you will get what here? 0. Now observe in this matrix, it is clearly skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, why? A transpose equal to minus 8 will satisfy. Otherwise, diagonal elements are 0 and non-diagonal elements having opposite sign. That's why it's clearly skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix of third order, order 3, just now I said. What? Third order determinant for skew symmetric matrix value is 0. So it is A matrix means that A is clearly, because this is a third order and it is a skew symmetric matrix. That A is 0. Find out trace of A, this matrix. Trace of A means what? Sum of diagonal elements. What will you get? 0. See option A first. Trace of A is, they are asking which of the following is not the value of trace of A. Trace of A 0, first option correct. They are asking not the correct value. Second one, det A. When det A is 0, 2 into det A also what? 0 only. That's why all these 3 are correct. Which is not correct? None of these. Because all 3 are satisfied. That's why option D. Option D is because all 3 are values of trace of A only. Next, question number 9. A comma B are symmetric matrices of same order, then we need to find AB minus BA. It is a which matrix? But already I given in synopsis, when A and B are symmetric, AB plus BA is always symmetric, AB minus BA is always a skew symmetric. But how to prove? I will tell you, no problem. Take whole transpose, because first of all, A and B are symmetric means what condition? A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B. To check it is which matrix, take transpose for this. We have formula A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. That's why I am using AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. Again, we have one other formula AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. I got second matrix B transpose into A transpose minus. Here which matrix? Second one A. So A transpose into B transpose. B transpose value is B, A transpose is A, and A B. Now I will take minus is common. AB minus BA. Left side is AB minus BA whole transpose. It is clearly in the form of A transpose equal to minus A form. That's what is the definition for which one? Skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, AB minus BA is clearly skew symmetric. Let's say which option is correct? Option A is the correct option. Next, question number 10. From the matrix equation AB equal to AC, we can conclude B equal to C, provided that at what condition? From AB equal to AC, we will get equation in the form of B equal to C. The given option A is non-singular, A is singular second option, C is A is symmetric, and D is A is a square. Now how to get that? Simply don't cancel A matrix and A matrix. It is not a number. As a number means, or a value means you can cancel. It is a matrix. If you simplify this one means, take the equation AB equal to AC. Now we need to pre-multiply with A inverse. Now when A inverse will exist, that A is compulsory non-singular, because for non-singular only A inverse is exist. That's why if we pre-multiply this, A inverse into AB, A inverse into AC. Associated property condition wise, you can take A inverse into A, one set of values, into B, A inverse into A into C. Now in yesterday class we given the synopsis, inverse matrix into that matrix, product always gives identity matrix. I into B, I into C. I into any matrix, that matrix only will come C. This is possible when A inverse is exist. When A inverse exists, then A is compulsory non-singular. When non-singular only A will exist. That means that A is clearly not equal to 0. That's why when from this matrix equation AB equal to AC, we are concluding B equal to C when it is possible. When the A inverse is exist, when A inverse is exist, clearly A is a non-singular matrix. So which option is correct? Option A. Next, coming to question number 11. Question number 11 is given A alpha. The given matrix cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. They are asking A alpha into A beta. A beta means just alpha, in the place of alpha replace with beta, that is A beta will get. They are asking A alpha into A beta. That value we need to find out in the form of given options. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, into A beta means cos beta, sin beta, minus sin beta, cos beta. Now to multiply two matrices. First row with first column. The cos alpha into cos beta. Next, sin alpha into minus sin beta is minus sin alpha sin beta. Or first row with first column. Next, first row with second column. Cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha into cos beta. Next, second row with first column. Minus sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha into sin beta. Next, minus sin alpha into sin beta plus cos alpha into cos beta. Now in this is clearly in the form of cos of A plus B. Reason, cos of A plus B formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Here A is alpha, B is beta. That's why here cos of alpha plus beta. What is sin of A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That's why it is clearly sin of alpha plus beta. Here also same formula, but take minus common from this. After taking minus common, what you will get? Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Total minus sin of alpha plus beta. Here cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Again it is a cos of A plus B. Cos of alpha plus beta. Now this is A alpha into A beta. Compare this matrix and A matrix, same format only, but in the place of alpha what is there? Alpha plus beta. Every angle. That's why A alpha into A beta, this is equal to A of alpha plus beta. That's why which option is correct? Option B. Option B is the correct option. Next, 12th one. Matrix A is alpha 0 1 1. Matrix B is given 1 0 3 1. And the value of alpha for which A square equal to B is given. We need to find alpha value. A square equal to B means A square means what? You can write A into A. Alpha 0 1 1 into alpha 0 1 1 equal to B matrix 1 0 3 1. Multiply this matrix first with first column. What will get? Alpha square plus 0 into 1 0. So alpha square. Alpha into 0 0. 0 into 1 0. Next 1 into alpha plus 1 into 1 1. Next 1 into 0 0 plus 1 equal to 1 0 3 1. Now compare when two matrices are equal, order also equal, then corresponding elements are equal. Alpha square equal to 1. 0 equal to 0, 1 equal to 1 satisfied. Next one more is what is there? Alpha plus 1 equal to 3. Here for 1 alpha getting two different values. Then how it is equal matrices? It is never be equal matrices. So here if you take alpha here plus or minus 1, here alpha will what will get 2 by taking one right side. Here clearly total 3 values are there. 3 values, if you take 1, check once, 1, okay, first value satisfies. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is not equal to 3. When equal matrix is possible, each and every corresponding elements are equal. Then only matrices are equal. That's why here what are the options given? 1, minus 1, I and no real value of x. Because these values are not satisfying this condition. That's why option D, no real values of alpha, because real value means it will satisfy the equation, but it is not satisfied. Which option? Option D. Next, 13th one. The equation, first matrix 1xy into 3 by 3 matrix. 1 3 1 0 2 minus 1 0 0 1 into column matrix 1xy equal to the given as 0 matrix only. As roots of different types for different values of y, y0 and y minus 1. At y0 to y minus 1, p, q are given in the form of p is rational roots, q option given irrational roots, r is given integral roots. Okay. Now first we need to find the equation from this equation, from the matrices equation. It is clearly which order? 1 by 3. This is 3 by 3. Multiply these two. Now here number of columns, number of rows are equal. Only one row is there, 3 columns. First row with first column, 1 into 1, x into 0, y into 0. That's why only 1 will get. Next, only one row with second column, 1 into 3, 3 plus 2x plus y into 0 is 0. Next, the same row with third column, 1 into 1, 1 plus x into minus 1, minus x, y into 1, y. Now after that we need to get again which order? 1 by 3. See, 1 by 3. One row, 3 columns we got. Into, what is another matrix? 1xy equal to a 0 matrix. Again it is 1 by 3, it is 3 by 1. Both are equal, you will get only 1 by 1 single element you will get. One row with only one column. 1 into 1, 1 plus x into 3 plus 2x. Next, plus y into 1 minus x plus y equal to a 0 matrix is given. Single element I can compare, no problem. 1 plus 3x plus 2x square y minus xy plus y square equal to 0. From this you can write order wise 2x square plus y square minus xy plus 3x plus y and plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation is given. Now first they given y equal to 0. At y equal to 0, what is the x value will get? What type of value? Rational value or irrational or integral value? Now substitute in this equation what? 2x square plus 0 minus 0 plus 3x plus 0 plus 1 equal to 0. What here equation? 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from this we need to find the x values. You get rational or irrational, we need to find out. Simple logic, condition wise what? Factors, 2 ones are, that's why 2x square, this 3x we can write 2x plus x. Product we need to get 2, sum will get 3. From these 2x take common from first two values, what you will get? X plus 1. Next take plus 1 is common, plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now one x value is minus 1, another x value is minus 1 by 2. These numbers clearly rational roots, because clearly in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integers. Now integral roots means is exact value we need to get, but here we got minus 1 by 2 also, that it is not an integral value. Next, second, y equal to how much is given? Minus 1. This minus 1 substitute in the equation, 2x square minus 1 whole square 1 minus x into minus 1 plus x, 3x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Here minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. 2x square x plus 3x 4x plus 1 equal to 0. In this, what type of roots we will getting here? Condition wise. Find out roots formula, because factorization is not possible here. So what formula? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus 4 plus or minus root of b square means 16. Minus 4 into a value 2. C value 1 by 2a. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 plus or minus 4 2s are 8. 16 minus 8 is clearly 8. Root 8 by 4. This is clearly what you can write. Minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 4. Now in this, finally x value, if you take common 2 from this, minus 2 plus or minus root 2 by 4. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, condition wise. Now from this, minus 2 plus or minus root 2 by 2. This is clearly which number? Irrational number. Irrationals in the form of p by q only, but having a square root values, cube root like that. That numbers are called a irrational. This is x is irrational roots. That's why now check the options. They clearly given, first they given 1 and 2. Option A given PR. Option B given QP, and option C given at one condition P. P means what here? Rational roots. Satisfied, correct? For same second question, what they given? Q. Q means what? Irrational. At which value? At y is equal to minus 1. That's why which option is correct? Option C is correct. At the first question, x value we got rational roots. Rational root symbol already given name is P. At y is equal to minus 2, second question, x value we got irrational roots. That means that is Q. Q given already irrational roots. That's why option C is the correct one. Question number 14. A square matrix such that A square equal to A. They are asking I plus A whole cube minus 7a. Actually, it is a PE question. A square equal to A condition is given. This is A plus B whole cube. What is A plus B whole cube formula? A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. Now this is A, this is B. I cube plus A cube plus 3I square into A plus 3I A square minus 7A. I power anything is I only, always. A cube we can write A square into A. 3I square is I into A. 3I into A square is A square only. A square value how much here? A. So 3a minus 7a. I plus a square is a. Now a into a plus 3. I into a is a plus 3a minus 7a. I plus a square. 3a plus 3a. 6a. 6a minus 7a is a. From this what you can write? A square minus a equal to 0. That's why I plus 0, that is, what is the value? I means which option? Option C. Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 15. Matrix A given 0, 0, 0, 1. Then matrix given by B, I plus A plus A square and so on, A power K. Next we need to find this sum of these all matrices. One thing remember here, A is 0, 0, 0, 1 means A square also will get 0, 0, 0, 1, no changes. Any power, any number of times if you multiply, the matrix remains same, no changes, condition wise. Now they are asking finally what is the correct value of B matrix. Here clearly A how much? A square also same, A cube also same, and so on up to A power K also. All these matrices, because 3 elements are 0, only 1 is there. That's why any number of times if you multiply for the matrix, A square, A cube, A power 10, A power 1000, you will get the same matrix. That's why in the place of A square, A power K, all you will replace with A only. I plus A plus A and so on plus A. How many times? K times. Because A power K times we are adding. So I, that's why this is totally becomes what here? K into A. I matrix identity we know for 2 by 2, 1, 0, 0, 1 plus K into what is A matrix? 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. K multiply inside, what will you get? 0, 0, 0, K. Add these two matrices, you will get required B matrix. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, K plus 1. Which option is correct? Option B. Option B is the correct option. Next, 16th one, they given X matrix 0, 1, 0, 0. They given equation like this, what? Small p into I, small q into x, whole power m equal to ai plus bx. For all p comma q is the real numbers, where a and b are scalars, and I is a two-rowed unit matrix, that means identity matrix, then a and b are. That is scalars we need to find out, capital A and capital B. In the form of the given options, m and pq format. Now finding for m powers is very difficult. You will do one thing here for square. Square means first find out this complete matrix for easy purpose. Then you can find out easily value also. P into I. I matrix all we know 1, 0, 0, 1. What will you get? P 0, 0, P. Q multiply for X matrix. All three elements 0, only this one. That's why 0, Q, 0, 0. Whole power m equal to ai plus bx. Later we'll multiply that. By adding this one, what will you get? P plus 0, P, Q, 0, P. Whole power m equal to ai plus bx. ai plus bx later can multiply. Now for easy purpose, I will take for example put m is 2. We'll verify because m power is very difficult to find. That's why for square we'll compare with a and b values. Square means what? This is PQ OP whole square. This value we need to find. Take it as equation number 1. Condition wise, total PQOP whole power m value we are taken square. 2 times we need to multiply. PQOP into PQOP. Now what you will get? First with first column only P square. Next PQ plus QP 2PQ. Next second row with first column 0 into P 0, P into 0 0. Next second row with second column 0 into Q 0, P into P, P square. Now this one replace in equation number 1. From 1 in the place of this I taken m is 2, we got this matrix. P square 2PQ 0 P square equal right side what is there? AI plus bx. Now p square plus 2pq 0 p square. A into identity matrix means what will get? Capital A 0 0 capital A. B into x means what will get? 0 b 0 0. By adding you will get single matrix. Later I can compare p square 2pq 0 p square equal to A B 0 A. Now from this what is A value we got? P square. What is B value? 2PQ. Now if you verify same M value substitute in options, we need to get this value only. Now take first option. If you take first option, P power M minus 1 is there. M is 2 means P power 2 minus 1. P only will get. But A is what is there? P square. That's why first option is not satisfied. Come to second option. P power M, comma, is A value. B value they given M into P power M minus 1 into Q. Now verify M value 2 substitute. P square will get here 2 into P power 2 minus 1. 1 only, that's why P into Q. Now clearly this is A value, this is B value. That's why which option is correct? Option B is the correct value. Next, question number 17. A of theta, the matrix is given 1 tan theta minus tan theta 1 and they given AB equal to I. We need to find a small correction in that question. Cos square theta into B is given, that is not cos square theta, it is a secant square theta into B we need to find out. In terms of A of theta, A of minus theta like that. Change the value, cos square theta is not, it is a secant square theta. Now, B matrix we don't know value wise condition. Now, AB equal to I means B is equal to what you will get? A inverse, clearly. We know A inverse formula as for determinants 1 by det A into adjoint A. It's a mixed combinations. So, det find out for this, det of A of theta. Or det of A, no problem. That means what will get? 1 minus of minus. Minus tan theta into tan square theta total plus tan square theta. That's why det A we got 1 plus tan square theta value is what? Secant square theta. AD minus BC. Det of 2 by 2 order means. Det A we got clearly. Next we need adjoint A. Adjoint A for 2 by 2 matrix. Interchanging diagonal elements, change the sign for non-diagonal elements. That is called adjoint A. Minus tan theta, tan theta. Adjoint for 2 by 2 what? Interchange diagonal and change sign only for non-diagonal elements. Now from this directly A inverse formula what? 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A is secant square theta into adjoint A what? 1 minus tan theta 1. Now we have a condition here what? As for invertible matrices concept, AB equal to I means B is the inverse of A. From that, B equal to A inverse. B equal to what is A inverse? 1 by secant square theta into 1 minus tan theta into tan theta plus 1 into 1 more. Now take this secant square theta left side, it will comes to numerator. What you will get? Secant square theta into B equal to what matrix? 1 minus tan theta 1. Now this is clearly the value of which one? This is A of theta. What is A of minus theta will get? Substitute in the place of theta minus theta. 1 only. Tan of minus theta minus tan of minus theta 1. From this what you will get? 1. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Now tan of minus theta minus of minus plus. Now the value of this is clearly which one? A of minus theta. Finally we can write secant square theta into B equal to A of minus theta. Now which option is correct? Option B.